To all the aspiring students, Chandigarh University is the perfect place to turn dreams into achievements. With the beginning of my career at TCS, I attribute my success to the great opportunities and unwavering support of Chandigarh University. Hi, I am DJit Dhar, a proud second year student at Chandigarh University pursuing MCA with specialization in artificial intelligence and machine learning. From day one, my mentors inspired me to work hard and aim high. The university's focus on high demand technologies such as artificial intelligence and machine learning has helped me acquire skills which are high in demand. Today I am excited to begin my journey at TCS, a multinational IT consulting and outsourcing firm. This feat wouldn't have been possible without the excellent support of my mentors. Moreover, the support I got from my placement department was quite exceptional. To all the aspiring students, Chandigarh University is the perfect place to turn dreams into achievements.